Hi guys, Alisha Walls here, and I just want to show you guys how amazing really that Travel 10 is. And when you become a member of Travel 10, you can definitely get your $1,000 savings card for your hotels and your resorts. But Travel 10 offers so much more, guys, and I just want to show you guys for all of the ones that want to purchase from Nike and things like that. I just want to show you guys in this video what Travel 10 really has to offer for all of the members of Travel 10 as well as the members of the Elite Travel Club. So let's just take a look real quick. So once you log in to your lifestyle benefits and discounts with Travel 10, it'll take you to their member hub, which is called the Benefits Hub, okay? So I come here pretty much every single day, guys, just to look for discounted items that I use on a day-to-day basis. And therefore, of course, I want to show you guys what you can actually take advantage of with Travel 10 also. So let's just take a look at some of the things. What I normally do, I come in and I click on the most popular tabs or discounts that a lot of the members of Travel 10 look for. So this is what it gives you. As you can see, you have Wolf Lodge there, Disneyland, the Microsoft store where you can get up to $300 off of their merchandise and things they have there. Costco, if you want to purchase a car from Enterprise, you can do that there, give you a little bit off of that. Up to $78 off of Las Vegas show tickets. If you're with Sprint, and well, if you're not with Sprint, excuse me, and you want to become a member of Sprint, what they're doing with Sprint right now is they're giving you a $200 Visa card that you can use. And then they have so many other pretty good discounts with Sprint when you become a member with their plans or unlimited plans, things like that. But what I want to show you guys that, my kids love Nike, whether it's the Nike apparel or the shoes. And I found this to be very, very helpful for us because we not only get a chance to, get really good discounted shoes and clothes with Nike, but I also get a 3% cash back whenever I purchase through this website. So let's take a look at this. Let's see here. Okay, so as you can see, it takes you to the Nike website. But guys, I've looked for this with Nike.com. I could not find it anywhere. And the only place that I could find this was on this particular website here with Travel 10. And let's see, I'm just going to go down the list and show you guys some of the things that they have in here. And as you can see, and I'll zoom in real quick just to show you that a lot of the things here are discounted. Everything is a discounted price, guys. Every single thing that's in here. And this is what you're looking for right here, where it shows you the original price and what the price is that the members of the Elite Travel Club and Travel 10, they actually get a chance to take advantage of. So I just want to keep scrolling down here and let you guys see some of the things like the clothing for girls, for young girls, for kids. These are kid shoes. We're going to go into the adult clothes in just a minute. I just want to zoom in on these Huaraches right here on the price. Let me just zoom in on the price to let you guys see. Originally inside of any of the shoeing stores, you would never hardly ever find Huaraches for $89. They're mostly like $110, things like that. As you can see, the original price here is $120. So just want to, kind of give you guys a little bit of an insight on, what you can actually receive as a member of the Elite Travel Club. And also, once you click on the actual product here, it'll, give you different views of the shoes and things like that. We'll click on this one here, and I just want to kind of, let you guys see what the shoe actually looks like. These are 100% authentic shoes. This is from the Nike outlet. The Nike website, I'm sorry. And, like I said, it'll show you different views of the shoe. It gives you the sizes that are available, which are the the kid shoes, the youth size, which are 3.5 to size 7, and they originally cost $100, but we're giving it to you guys for 79 bucks. 79 bucks for a pair of shoes that, you know, are really good pair of shoes here from Nike, and it's only $79 with, you know, different sizes, different colors, and things like that, or whatever, you know. And of course, as you go to the different colors, it'll tell you right here in the corner, you know, if it has a discount with them. Like these are the original price, which are $100, but these are a lot of the shoes that you will not see in your stores. So, you know, if you're looking for something to give you guys that, you know, that feel of being original and things like that, this is definitely where you want to go. So we'll just click on the men's tab up here. Okay, and so as we venture on over to the men shoes and apparel that Nike has to offer, just want to show you guys some of the things that they have here that's available for the members. As you can see here, this Nike Air Max 98, and I want to zoom in on that. Zoom in on that just to kind of give you guys, you know, the price that you'll see down here. That it is a men's shoe, and it's $152, which is normally $180, but you guys will get a chance to get that as a member of the Elite Travel Club for that price. I mean, they have some really just shoes that I've never seen before, but if you've ever gone to any of the Nike outlet stores, you know, these are the type of shoes that you see there, so you definitely won't see these items inside of your regular shoe store. And, you know, I mean, just to have the ability to go here and order shoes and apparel, especially for the sports lovers and, you know, people that like to exercise and things like that, you know, just to get those shoes at and the apparel at a fairly decent price is something that you definitely want to look for, you know, whenever you're a member of any type of club that offers those lifestyle discounts like what you see here. So I want to show you guys here these shoes here. These are Vapor Max, and I want to zoom in on that just to let you guys see. Vapor Max football cleats for, you know, anyone that, you know, plays football. If you guys are like I am, my son plays football or played football, better yet, and we could never find the type of cleats that he wanted in the stores, you know, without them being just a huge price, you know. So with these right here, they come in 4 colors. As you can see, you're saving $100 for these football cleats here. And like I said, they are the Vapor. If anyone knows about the Nike Air Max Vapors, those have the comfortable inside and the comfortable outing, you know, to give those athletes that the air and everything inside of their shoe that they need. So these are some pretty cool shoes here. I just want to click on that, you know, just to kind of let you see the colors. Of course, you have the royal blue, the red, the white, and then you also have black. But, you know, just to kind of, like I said, just to give you guys an idea of what you can actually receive. These shoes here, I've seen these before, not in the store, but I've, you know, looked on different websites because my kids love Nike. And, you know, I've seen these way more expensive than $101. These Nike Air Force ones. You have these different little Nike Air Force boots that you definitely will not see inside of the store. You have your suede, and I want to zoom in on that because I looked at those. Those are pretty neat. You know, the suede Air Force Ones or whatever. And this is for people that love these type of shoes, that you want something original. You want something that everyone doesn't have, and you're only having to pay $69 for those. So, you know, like I said, this is a very, very cool thing. If you like the Nike socks, the different colors, they're only 15 bucks there. And I know for a fact that Nike socks are like $20 or more inside of the store. But, you know, I mean, I can't really just keep, you know, emphasizing enough how amazing it is to be a member of the Elite Travel Club and have, you know, discounts, and you also receive a 3% cash back on anything that you order on this website through one of our vendors. And I want to show you guys these shoes here. These are something I've never seen these before. So different, so original that, you know, I mean, I've never seen these before. My kids have a lot of shoes as well as I do. But look at that. I mean, that's something that you would definitely not see in the store for these Air Force Ones here at all. You know, I mean, just get in, you know, come in, take a look at it. You know, these are the premium Air Force Ones, of course. And as you can see, zoom in on the price over here to let you guys see what the price of this is. Originally $130 and you're only paying $103. So you're pretty much saving like $20, $30, $40 on every pair of shoes that you order here from this Nike website once you become a member of the Elite Travel Club. Okay, so, you know, just want you guys to see a little bit more of the shoes here. And like I said, once you become a member of the Elite Travel Club, you know, you'll definitely have access to this, so that you'll get a chance to see whatever that's there, that's on sale, and you guys are able to take advantage of it, and the apparel and things like that. I know for myself, I have a pair of these right here, these Huaraches right here, and I know for a fact that I paid $125 for my Huaraches that I have. They're the same color and everything, but you can get it here for, I'm sorry, let's take that away. You can get it here for $77. $77, and these are a men's shoe. You have 2 different colors that you can choose from for $77. So we're going to take a look at the women's shoes and apparel that's available for the women. Let's see. Let's go back here. Okay, we're just going to take a look at the women's shoes that are available for the ladies, to let you guys see also, you know, what you can be saving on your shoes and your Nike apparel that, you know, you want to work out in, or, you know, just the everyday look that you want. And you can, you know, get these here with a 3% cash back once you become a member of the Elite Travel Club. So, you know, once again, I'm just pretty much showing you guys what you can actually take advantage of, and with all of the discounts and everything like that with Travel 10 when you become a member of the Elite Travel Club. So guys, I really hope that you guys, you know, get in to see where you can actually save thousands of dollars as being a member of the Elite Travel Club. You guys stay tuned, because we'll have more savings and more deals that whenever you become a member of the Elite Travel Club that you guys can actually take advantage of. Thank you so much for watching, guys. My name is Alisha Walls, and you guys have a great day.